If you own a private number plate and are changing your car, you may wish to transfer the private number plate from your old car to the new one. At comparenumberplates.co.uk, we know how confusing transferring a private number plate can seem. That's why we've compiled these short videos to help you through the paperwork. Here's our simple guide on how to transfer a private number plate from vehicle to vehicle. The first thing you will need is a DVLA V317 form, which you can find at your local DVLA office, or you can download it from the comparenumberplates.co.uk website. The link is also added to the information section for this video. You will need your V5 vehicle registration document, sometimes also referred to as your logbook. And you will need an up-to-date MOT certificate if your vehicle is over 3 years old, and a copy of your tax disc. For full details regarding the terms for number plate transfer, please refer to the comparenumberplates.co.uk website. On the V317 form, you will need to complete sections 1, 2, and 3. Start with completing section 1. To transfer directly from one vehicle to another, put a cross in the top box to transfer, as shown here. Now you will need the V5 registration document for the vehicle that you are transferring the private number plate from. This is referred to as the donor vehicle. Open it up to the second page and place it next to the V317 form as shown here. Now start to complete section 2 on the V317 form. Enter the vehicle registration number from the V5 registration document onto the V317 form here, as shown by the red circles. Find the vehicle make and model here, and enter the details on the V317 form here. Next, find the VIN or chassis number from the registration document here, and enter it into the boxes on the V317 form here, again shown by the red circles. Now you need the copy of your tax disc. Write the serial number from the top of the tax disc into the boxes here on the V317 form, followed by the tax expiry date, and write it here. You then need to add the name and address from the V5 registration document here, and provide a telephone number should the DVLA need to contact you. Next, sign and date the bottom of section 2 here. Remember that this V317 form must be completed and signed by the person named as the registered keeper on the V5 document. Now complete section 3 in exactly the same way, using the details from the V5 registration document for the vehicle which you want to transfer the private number plate to. This is referred to as the receiving vehicle. You now need to submit the V317 form with full V5 registration document, an up-to-date MOT certificate, and a photocopy of your tax disc for each vehicle. You will also need to enclose payment for the transfer fee. Submit these to the local DVLA office. You can either send them by post or take them in person. You will find a full list of local DVLA offices on the comparenumberplates.co.uk website. Once the private number plate transfer has been approved, the DVLA will send replacement documents for both vehicles. The DVLA will also issue a standard replacement registration number for the donor vehicle. The original registration number for the receiving vehicle is lost unless you specifically apply to retain it. See our video Private Number Plate Retention for details. If you have found this video useful, please subscribe to the Compare Number Plates video channel and click the like button. Thank you.